So today we're happy to be in Warner Brothers tour where we're going to show you some of the DC and Harry Potter props that they actually use for the movies, and we're super excited about that. If you happen to be brand new, hi, welcome to Cookie's Adventure. Our main mission is to help you have fun when you come to California, Central Florida, or anywhere. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go.
Wait, Mom, hit me.
Mom, hit it!
I could show you how to defeat the now.
And the first awesome thing that you get to see, you get greeted by these pictures over here from different DC characters and Harry Potter. And if you happen to be a fan, I mean, this is where you gotta be. Why are you geeking out?
Favorite crazy person.
Your favorite character right there, Harley Quinn.
She's not my favorite character. She's my favorite crazy person.
Okay, so that's Harley Quinn. That's the costume, the Joker costume. Arkham Asylum Gates. Look at that. Poison Ivy, the costume right over there, and Mr. Freeze costume. More and more costumes over here. Max Lord from Wonder Woman 1984. This is Barbara, Kyla. Barbara from Wonder Woman 1984 too. How about Wonder Woman? The hero armor, Kyla. How about that one?
Oh my god, it's just beautiful.
Are you geeking up on me yet?
I'm digging it.
You're
This is
geeking
my
up.
favorite though. This is my favorite.
That's your favorite, the golden armor. Kyla, you deserve to stand right next to it. You are probably one of the biggest fans that I sing about Wonder Woman, despite how much criticism this movie has had. But anyway, this is Diana Prince, the gala costume. And here's Steve. This is costume from the last movie from 1984. Here are some of the props used for the movie. I knew Kyla was gonna geek out on this. She's about to cry, guys. Check this out. Look at this. You got so much power, you broke it. There you go. Whoa, Kyla. That's the golden armor wings right there. Again, other than taking pictures for memories, what are you taking them for?
Oh my god, look at that photo. It's gonna be Instagram, so you can see a little preview of ourselves.
Exactly.
You gotta squeeze it.
Exactly. So if you're not following us on Instagram, why?
I don't know.
What are you waiting on? Cool Case Adventure Instagram. You get to see cool pictures like this and more of everything that we're up to, people. Before I release these videos. Also, here's the Wonder Woman from 2017. This costume over here. And let me show you more of the props from the movie. The weapons. Look at the shield from the Amazon. Now while you're watching, folks at home, that's Kal-El, yes, the one and only, the son of Krypton, Kal-El. And yes, that's his real name. Superman, biological name, Kal-El. That's how much we love
I'm special.
Superman.
Unlike her.
Yes. So look at this. This is from Man of Steel. Look at the capes. You guys see the capes?
What? I like the one in the middle.
Wow, the Daily Planet. Now, this is from the Man of Steel in 2013 from Zack Snyder. And I'll be honest with you, as a Superman fan, I am freaking out right now. The Daily Planet. Look, Clark Kent, right over there. Also the band members of Superman, Dawn of Justice. Now guys, check out all the amazing prop photo op opportunity right now. The Dark Knight 2008, the Tumblr. Look at this Batmobile. As our friend Michael from the Grim Life Collective says, this is bad booty. Now Justice League, right over there, people. Justice League. Here's Aquaman, Justice League, Aquaman custom. Here's Wonder Woman custom. There's Batman. There's also the Superman custom. The Flash custom for Justice League. Cyber. That's the custom right there, the mannequin. Now if you happen to be a fan of Shazam, they do have here the mannequin with the custom of the movie used in 2019. Here is the Aquaman prop. Kal-El is actually using it right now. This is pretty cool. Another cool prop that you could use. So here's Aquaman, the weapons. It's pretty cool. Look. Even has one of the sea monsters from Aquaman. One of the trench creature. Here is the Aquaman custom for 2018. Now here's the custom from Batman, The Dark Knight Rises from 2013, and also has the different type of weapons that they use for that movie. And just so you know, that's one on his motorcycle, and we happen to be on the Batcave. This is simulating like we will be watching from the Batcave. This is unfreaking believable. Check out also Batman versus Superman. Dawn of Justice, the different props of the weapons that they use. Here's the Batwing from Batman versus Superman, Dawn of Justice. Well, this is the Batmobile from 1989, the first Batman movie that came out, and this is from Batman versus Superman. This is the Batwing. What do you think, Karen? I know that
This is awesome. This is unbelievable.
it is well worth the price. By the way, I know we're doing a separate video, but this is included with the tour, the Warner Brothers studio tour. This is included with that, so it is well worth the price.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's awesome.
And the price for that, I don't know if it changes for the season or not, but I know we pay a little bit over $200 for the four of us. It was about $55 per ticket, I think. But
I think it was like 50.
I don't know if it changes according to the day, the season, but anyway.
Right now, because they just recently opened back up, so because of due to COVID, this is like their limited capacity.
Yeah.
So if it's something that you're in California and you want to do, you need to try to book ahead. Okay.
Yeah, and by the way, this is the costume used from Batman vs. Superman, Dawn of Justice. This is the Robin costume. My little Superman. What are you thinking with all this?
I want it.
Is it worth it?
Yeah. I want that one especially right there.
The Batwing?
That one right there.
I'm sure a lot of viewers will agree with you, buddy. Costume used by Linda Carter. The Wonder Woman costume is right over here. Jeez, this is awesome. Christopher Reeve Superman costume. This is what he used. Right over there. And Michael Keaton Batman costume is right over there.
Alright, and it looks like we've gotten to the port of Harry Potter. What is this, Skyla?
Oh, the map. When you say I solemnly swear I'm up to no good, the map opens up and it reveals itself. Now we can do magically things. Let's go.
What are you doing? Oh, that's Fantastic Beasts.
So here's another photo op opportunity where you're acting like you're coming out of the suitcase. So Kal-El and Kyle are doing it. But look at all these special effects on the background. And this is from the movie Fantastic Beasts, right?
Yes.
And in case you haven't guessed, we are here at the Harry Potter section. And look, they even sell wands over here too, Connie.
Find them everywhere.
Wands everywhere. We got another station over here where you could do your own potions.
All the ingredients you have, those are the labels facing you. So what you gotta do is tap the label. So first thing you're gonna need is one Bizor. So where it says Bizor, go ahead and click the label. Careful with my top. So tapped it, it should light up. Perfect. And then the next thing you're gonna need is standard ingredients. Standard ingredient looks like a little finger grass. So where's the standard ingredient? Go ahead and touch that label. Right there, perfect. Follow that up with powdered unicorn orange. Okay, a little big thing of sugar. Should sparkle up. There you go. And followed by the last ingredient, which is mistletoe berry. That should light up all your Christmas tree. Perfect. Last thing you gotta do, the wands at the bottom of your books, go ahead and tap them. Sorry, and turn blue. That is effective. Y'all created an effective antidote. Y'all saved a lot of lives today. Full marks.
Most of your space right here. All right, you ready? Yes, ma'am. Here we go.
Hi, I'm Paul Harris, and I'm your
This is called a one choreography interactive demonstration. So Kyla is stepping up to do it.
So now let's try move number 1.
Now, folks, welcome to Potions class.
Straight, very nice and straight. Down the back, okay? One aim directly at the end.
One there, one there. All the labels are facing up.
One into the left. We need the right side to on a flat plane.
Careful, my pop.
Oh,
Stay on the left side of the arm.
getting fancy over here.
Protect your center. Keep your eye on the target 2 times. Now, let's see you try it.
Effective. That's how you do it.
So here's a sample of the different ones that they're having here.
That is how you make it.
So there's another photo op opportunity over here. Kyle and Carlo just did it and it looks pretty cool though. And now they're having to be making the line over here to visit. Is that Harry Potter room? This is crazy though. Look at that. Again, all of these pictures you can find if you follow us on Cool Case Adventure on Instagram as we post periodically. But look at this. Look at the amount of details that they have in this room.
That's cool.
That's pretty cool. Like, yeah, I'm ready. So we're here at the Great Hall. Which one you think you're gonna get?
I want to get Gryffindor because that's my house.
Carlo, what's your house? Which one you think you're gonna get?
I want to get Hufflepuff because that's my normal house.
Okay, let's see. Alright, here's Kyla Stern. Let's see. The moment of truth.
Gryffindor! Who will shape you into the wizard you are meant to be.
Now let's see Kyle.
Ah, shrewd and sharp. Slytherin! You have a love of learning. With a brain like yours, it has to be Ravenclaw!
We're heading to the end over here. Is that a true Oscar? Really? Oh my God. Are you sure you want to trust her with that?
1949.
What? Kyla, 2 hands. That's a 1949 Oscar. I need to hold that. Whoa, this is heavy though. Wow. Kyla, can you take a picture of me? Kyla? This is heavy. This is no joke.
I thought it was like plastic.
Well, first I want to thank everybody for the support at home.
Cut it out.
I know they call me out. Here, try it. Here's an example of the different awards. Wow, this is unbelievable. All right, so here's the dangerous part. This is how they grade you with the original. You cannot find anywhere else but in here this merchandise. And I'm digging. Look at this cotton with the original logo. Wow. I didn't know this. Karen asked me earlier. She asked me, can I find Friends merchandise in the main store? I didn't know. So I said no, but apparently you can. They even have some Ellen DeGeneres Show merchandise over here. You know what this store reminds me? At the Florida Mall, years ago, we used to have a Warner Bros. I want to say when you used to live in Virginia, didn't you have it in the mall too?
Yeah.
And then they went out. And they also have some merchandise for Harry Potter as well, right? And I'm assuming it has to be different. Oh, look at this.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. And I cannot answer my own question that I was gonna say loudly, but it's obviously different than what you will find in Universal. Karen, according to what I told you earlier,
This is mine.
this is your house.
But every other thing that I've done, I'm a Hufflepuff.
Pick your poison.
And then, and this is Khalil's house, right?
It said it was
He got called Slytherin, didn't he?
Oh, Khalil was Slytherin,
I
yeah.
got called Slytherin.
Team member told me earlier about wider selection of ones. This is what you remember. Look at this. The Dark Wizard one collection. You can have all of these. These are the different ones that you will have.
We don't have this one.
Yeah. And in case you were wondering about the price, you know, $38. I don't know. I don't think that they're interactive, right, Carla?
No, they're not.
And by what they told us on the tour is that the basketball court was actually done a double parking lot, and they left it there. And actually, LeBron James will come and he will do his shots in there, and they will film him. Now, made it to the best section ever, the DC merchandise. Look at this little dude. That shirt is dope. Look at that King Farms shirt.
Oh, now we're back.
All right, guys, there you have it. We made it to the exhibition of the DC Harry Potter and all the cool things that they use for the movie. What do you guys thought?
Amazing.
What was your favorite part, Kyla?
I think all the Wonder Woman stuff and the Harry Potter stuff was really, really great.
Kyla,
Batman. And the Batmobile.
The whole Justice League thing was cool for you. I was
It
geeking
was
out.
really
So.
cool. And you could also hold the Aquaman's gun.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, well, when I was holding her,
The spear.
the
Oh,
whip.
the whip.
The whip.
And you
is a-
look great in your costume, by the way.
So all that, it has a lot of awesome photo spots over there. Lots of photo ops opportunities. So highly recommend you guys. And like I told you earlier, it is included with your tour, your studio tour. So might as well get it done. Anyways, sadly this adventure has ended. But with that said, we want to remind everybody too.
And smash the like button and turn that bell for notifications.
Bing, bing, bing. Feel free to comment down below or number 2.
Smile out, be great.
Be cool.
And stay awesome. See you guys next adventure.
Bye, guys. Boom.
Boom. See ya.
Bye.